Welcome! Today I am with Sony headphones and I will show you how you can move those headphones to the pairing mode manually. So if you have any connection problem, though it will probably fix that problem. So you have to click and hold power key when they are turned on for 7 seconds. Let's make it. And at first you will hear notification that they are turned off. And after a few moments, we'll get notification that we are in the Bluetooth pairing mode. And you can spot that indicator is blinking on the blue color. So that's how you can move your Sony headphones to the pairing mode manually by pressing power key. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.